A washing machine has one or more programs from which you can choose. You should be able to find these described in the owner's manual, and they may be referred to as cycles. Each program is a sequence of stages with varied times, speeds, and temperatures. Each stage may also be called a cycle. For this article, we'll define cycle to mean the individual stages and use the word program to mean some combination of those stages. The following are descriptions of the cycles you might use on your washing machine. Wash. Fill the machine to a certain water level. Dispense any chemicals from dispensers. Agitate the load for a certain amount of time and drain the water. Rinse. Fill the machine to a certain water level. Agitate the load for a certain amount of time and drain the water. Spin the basket rapidly for a certain amount of time with the drain open so most remaining water is removed by the centrifugal force. These cycles make up parts the following common programs, identified here by what makes them unique. Cotton, linen or normal, higher spin speeds and average cycle lengths. Permanent press, casual, average or slightly slower spin speeds. Colors, cold wash and rinse. Temperatures, quick or speed wash, hot water and less time in the wash cycle. Delicates, hand wash, wool, cold water wash and rinse, plus spin slower or not at all. Pre-soak, pause for a certain time during the wash cycle between filling the machine with water and starting agitation. Bulky or heavy, slower spin cycle. Sanitize, hottest water available during the wash cycle. Depending on your washing machine, you may be able to control certain program details like water level and temperature manually. Many high-end washing machines also use sensors to automatically adjust the water level, cycle length and spin speed based on the size and bulk of the load. Use your owner's manual to find all your program and cycle options. Take a spin over to the next page for loads more about how washing machines get clothes clean. During the wash cycle, the machine uses agitation to mix the water and detergent, as well as to move the clothing around the tub, and against other clothing, to clean the load. Top-loading washing machines often contain an agitator in the middle of the tub to move the load in alternating directions, while front loaders rely upon the rotation of the entire tub to provide the agitation necessary for cleaning. The duration of the wash cycle varies among washer types and the setting chosen by the user. The wash cycle for heavy cleaning, for tougher jobs, will last longer. Light cleaning cycles are shorter in duration. In your washer can make a world of difference in your laundry. Hot water, for instance, sanitizes and kills germs better, but in some cases, it can shrink your clothes, fade your fabrics, set certain stains, and requires a lot more energy. So, reserve hot water washes for bath and kitchen towels, bedding, sturdy fabrics and any extremely dirtied items. For moderately dirty loads, dark colors, and the permanent press cycle, use warm water. Last but not least, use cold water in the delicate cycle for delicate items, fabrics that have dyes that might bleed, or clothes that aren't especially dirty. Cold water is the gentlest way of washing your garments, and it also requires less energy, so you can save energy and protect the environment. Designed to deliver outstanding stain removal in all water conditions, Tide laundry detergents offer an effective cold water clean even for dirty items.